guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Augusta, and if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button down below and join this amazing YouTube family. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys like all the tricks, all the tips I used to achieve this spring twist. Okay, you guys can see how the coils is, like how spiral the coils is, and when you pull it down it's just going to bounce up by itself. So I'm going to be sharing all the tips on how I was able to achieve that. Okay, so without talking too much, let's just get into the video. This is the extension hair I used, guys. I got the springy afro twist in 16 inches, and you guys can see it's mixed color, right? So it's the color 2T1B/30. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. Okay, I'm going to leave every detail in the description box. Okay, and I got 3 packs, guys, and I've used one already, so I'm going to show you guys what one pack did for me. Okay, so this is what I did with one pack, and you guys can see this is like almost half of my hair. So this is what I did with one pack, and I have 2 packs left right now. So I'm going to let you guys know at the end of the video how many packs I ended up using. So I already washed my hair the previous day, so I'm making this twist on a very clean hair. You want to make sure that your hair is very clean, because you're going to be having this protective style for maybe about 3 or 4 weeks. So you want to make sure that the hair underneath is very clean. Now I went ahead to pat my hair, guys, and I'm using this Blue Magic hair conditioner for my hair. Okay, so this is what I'm going to apply into my hair, and I'm also going to use the Shine and Jam gel on the roots of my hair, okay, just to make my parting a little bit clean. So guys, you want to go ahead and start parting your hair, and because this twist is very small, like it's small size twist, as you guys can see, so I'm parting my hair into smaller sizes. Okay, spring twist actually looks better, okay, when you part it in smaller sizes. Like it looks better in smaller twists. So you want to grab one piece of that hair, and you're going to go ahead and separate it into 2. So you're going to be using one piece for each twist. Okay, and I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel on the roots of my hair. Guys, remember to make sure that your hair is well moisturized, okay, before you go ahead and twist the hair. So now I'm going to grab that piece of hair, like this is half of each piece, right? So I'm going to grab that half, and I'm going to start, but I'm going to be starting with the 3-strand braid. Okay, so I'm going to use one of my natural hair as one strand of the hair, and the extension hair is going to be the 2-piece. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. I braid for about 6 to 7 times. I don't really count. Okay, I just braid, and when I feel like it's okay, I'm going to go ahead and separate my natural hair into 2. And guys, you can see that my root is not tight at all. Okay, it's relaxed, like it's not tight, it's kind of loose, and this is because I want the hair to be able to move around freely. Okay, I don't want it to be very stiff, and I don't want to also pull on the roots of my hair. So this is why I make the roots of my hair very loose. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and start twisting. And there is no technique to this. Okay, you don't have to twist twist each strand before you twist them together. You don't have to do that. Okay, just twist your hair. The only thing you have to do is to make sure you twist it very tight. Okay, twist it very close to each other. That is the only way you can get that spiral twist look. So just go ahead and continue twisting, and then you twist down. When I start the second one, I'm going to show you guys something else you do, okay, to make your hair this coily. You see how all of them are kind of coily, especially towards the tip here. I'm going to show you guys with the next strand what I did, okay, to make it look like that. So now I grabbed the other half piece of hair, okay, and I'm going to start off as usual by braiding the hair first. You can actually start twisting from the roots of your hair. Okay, I just prefer to do the braid because I feel like it makes my hair more secure, okay, at the root, but you can start twisting at the root if you want to. So now I'm going to separate my natural hair into 2, and I'm going to start twisting. You guys can see there is no special technique to this, okay? Just twist. You can go ahead and use your jam or the gel you're using, okay, to smoothen the hair if you want to. I usually don't do this, okay, but I'm just showing you guys if you want to do that. If you feel like the hair is too rough, okay, you can just use the gel or the jam you're using, okay, to make it smooth. So now I'm going to be showing you guys what I did to get the tip of the hair to be this coily, okay? So as I twist, I pull, I pull my hand up and then I continue twisting. This is going to make the twist very tight, so I pull up again. I do this about 4 to 5 times on each twist, okay? I pull up. That is all you want to do. Just hold this one down and pull up the hair. You guys can see like it's making it tighter. Can you guys see that? And then continue twisting. So I'm going to pull this one up one more time. So I pull it up again and then I continue twisting. So this is going to make the twist look tighter, and also it's going to give it, you guys can see it's already folding, it's already giving it that coily feel or look, okay? It's already making it very coily, so you guys can see it's doing that already, okay? So yeah, that is all I do. There is no special technique to this, okay? And at the tip of the hair, you just want to keep twisting till you get to the tip. You can just use one finger and coil it around, okay? So guys, this is the hair. You can see how the tip is, this side is kind of coily, right? So that's all you have to do. Another thing you can do to the tip of the hair is to cut it out. Like that is what I've been doing for some of them, okay? If you don't like if the tip is not looking very nice, you just use your scissors and cut it out, and that's it. You guys can see. So guys, I'm going to show this again, okay? So I'm using the Shine and Jam gel on the roots of my hair, and I'm going to grab a piece of the hair. Remember to separate each piece into 2, okay? And then you're going to use just half of it for each twist. And I'm going to start off like I'm braiding my hair, like the 3-strand braids, and I'm going to go ahead and start braiding. Just braid a couple of times, like 5, 6, 7 times, it depends. And now I'm going to separate my natural hair, and I'm going to start twisting. So just continue twisting. You can twist down, and when you get towards like where the where your natural hair ended, like when you get to where your natural hair ended, you can start pulling it up like I said, and twist. After twisting like 5 to 6 times, you can pull up again. This is going to tighten your twist, okay? And also it's going to give it this coily look, okay? Pull up and continue twisting. Pull up, continue twisting. Pull up, continue twisting. And guys, I forgot to mention this, okay? After separating your hair into 2, make sure the length of the hair is equal before you start twisting your hair, okay? And I don't separate the hair, like I don't stretch it out or anything. I just start using it like that. The only thing I do is just to pull it to make sure that the lengths are equal, okay? Then I go ahead and start braiding my hair. And guys, another tip I forgot to mention is to make sure you braid all your hair in the same direction, okay? Don't braid one this like to the right and then braid the next one to the left, okay? It's not going to come out well, okay? You're not going to get this spring twist look at all. So you want to make sure you braid all of them, okay, to the same direction. And I also want to show you guys the direction I'm twisting my hair to. So I'm twisting to the left. You guys can see this is my right hand, and I'm taking the twist to the left, okay, this way. So you guys can see that's what I'm doing. If I twist to my right, I'm not going to get this springy look, okay? I'm not going to get this spiral twist. It's going to look like kinky twist, okay, if I twist to my right. So to get this springy twist, I'm twisting to the left. So I'm taking the hair and I'm taking it to the left. And another issue you're going to have is when you're braiding the other side of your hair, you're going to get confused, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to figure out, okay, where to braid to when you're braiding this other side of your hair. So but for now, on this side, on my right side, I am twisting to the left. So that's what I'm doing. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how I figure out like where to twist on this side of my head, you know, just to make sure that all my twists are the same, okay? So as usual, I started off with 3-strand braids, as you guys can see. And now to twist, I'm going to separate my natural hair into 2. Now to twist, like to find out the direction I'm going to be twisting to. Remember before I told you guys that when on this side I'm twisting to my left, right? So I'm using my right hand, right, to twist to my left, like twist towards my face. Now I'm going to just go towards same direction, so it means I'm going to be twisting to the back here, okay? So on this side I'm twisting to my left or towards my face, and then on this side I'm going to keep going in the same direction and twist to the back, okay? So that is how I figure out where to twist to, like to make sure that I'm twisting in the same direction. So I'm going to be twisting to my back this way. So that is what I'm doing. So that is how you're going to figure out like where to, the direction to twist to on each side of your face, okay? So on my right side I twist to my face, like I'm twisting, like my right hand is going towards my face, and on my left side my right hand is going to be going towards my back, okay? So towards my face here and towards my back here. So that is how I figure out where to twist to, or the direction to twist to make sure that all my twists are, you know, the same. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and twist to the tip of the hair. No like nothing special, just twist, and remember to start pulling your right hand or your left hand up, okay, as you twist, especially when you get like down here, okay? You want to start doing that. So twist, pull up, twist, okay? I did that for like maybe 4 or 5 times on each twist, okay? So I'm going to pull it up again, continue twisting. Yeah, so I'm going to see you guys when I'm finally done with the hair, okay? So yeah guys, I'm finally done, and this is the hair. You guys can see how full it is. I feel like the length, the color, the fullness is very perfect for me, okay? It's not long, it's just short. You guys can see is shoulder length, as you guys can see. So this is the hair. I'm going to show you guys the back right now. This is the back of the hair. And guys, I ended up using 1.5 packs, okay? Like I ended up using like 1 full pack, and then on the second pack I used 2 bundles, so I have like 1 bundle left here. So if you're planning to make this hair, you need to get 2 packs of hair, okay? So yeah, this is it. I actually love how like the length, I love the length. I usually make like long hair, okay, but with this one I love the length, and I think I'm going to be making this hair again. It looks so cute in real life. I don't know, this camera is actually not doing justice to this hair, guys. It looks so cute, okay? Let me know what you think in the comment section about this. Are you going to try it out, okay? And don't forget to share this with your friends. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, okay? And if you have any video suggestion for me, you can leave it in the comment section, okay? And guys, I also have a video that I made using this same hair extension, and it's also a twist, but it's a jumbo twist. So if you're scared of making this hair because you feel like it's too much, because this took me about 6 to 7 hours. So if you feel like this is too much but you want to try out a jumbo twist, then I'm going to leave the link to this video, the other video, in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it somewhere up here, okay? So you can go and check out that jumbo twist video. That one is easier to make. It took me about maybe 2 to 3 hours to get that one done. So I don't have much to say. I think if there's anything I remember, maybe while editing the video, anything I forgot to share in the video, I'm going to probably put it on the screen, like write it on the screen, or I'm going to also leave a comment, okay, in the comment section, you know, explaining whatever I kind of didn't say in this video. So yeah, that's it. If you're still here watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for the love, guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.